Alright, what's up y'all? I am at work right now. One of my patients just went to a procedure, so I'm gonna get some linen to change their bed. I'm gonna try to record what I can, but I can't really do too much. Yeah, blue bag. Get a blue bag. Alright y'all, so I just finished spreading on my patient's bed that left. I'm out of breath, but now I'm finna do I'm gonna try to do like 2 or 3 showers before 11 because at 11 we have Q2 turns. So yeah, but I'm not gonna record everything because that's HIPAA, so yeah. All right y'all, so I'm on the elevator right now because I have to go to another unit to get some fitted sheets because we ran out. Okay, I'm about to do, this is what basically all the stuff I'm gonna need for my shower, and I have rags and stuff in the room. Yeah, I am tired and I'm finally clocking out after my 12-hour shift. It's literally 7:10. I got here at 6:40. I am exhausted. I need to go to Walmart. But this is the end of today. I'm tired. Goodbye.